This is my 2012 Aaron Ross Pro bike check. I got orange Aaron Ross keyboard grips, worn out, and Sunday freeze down. And I got a new headset because headset kept getting loose and it was horrible. So I got a Odyssey integrated in white, and the Odyssey quick slick cable, Odyssey monolever brake. Aaron Ross keyboard seat, pivotal, Odyssey twisted pedals, 28 tooth saber tooth sprocket. Then you got the nutrients facts right there. And then the Bandero front hub. It's really nice. And Evo 2 brakes. Yeah. Quadrant rims, front and back, I think, yeah. And I got the Dice, very nice. Thought I'd add those. And the keyboard tires, Aaron Ross. The snow beach, snow cones rule and all that. Odyssey. Hand seat chain. And the Sunday Funday orange soda frame. And yeah, subscribe. I'll be putting up some more videos. So Sundays.